Welcome back, Douglas's Model Garage's videos. And I thought I'd do a video of some uh, additions to my stash. And oh yeah, we got the new little blue bunny right here, and we got Slender Bunny back there wearing his tuxedo. So guys, like I was saying, that we have a few additions to our friends here, our little associates at the DMG headquarters, DMGV headquarters, and like to show you some ads, stash ads, and show you what I got here. So first one is this LA Darts by the Le Dart by MPC, and I found this one in Elyria called the Strongsville Hobby Shop. So that's a very cool one right there. Got the Ram Chargers Funny Car right here. This is a pretty cool one too. Figured get two cars that I haven't built yet before. So this was a latest eBay find that I picked it up in Akron and seen a cool race car chassis. You've probably seen the video on that recently. And thank you guys for all for watching it. So got Dale Earnhardt Lumina from 1990. So this is a cool Ollie's find right here. 71 Dom 71 Plymouth GTX. I built it before, and I know I have one in storage, but it's a third one. Can do something with it. So, yeah, I do something with it. Figure something. Okay, from cars we go to planes. So this is from the Bad Al's Hobby, their airplane sale they're having. It's a collection of somebody's collection they had at one time, and they sold it evidently. But this is the Mitsubishi A6 M56 Zero by Revell, and I believe this is a older kit. Yeah, 1962. So it kind of predates a lot of the kits I have. And I found this cool Japanese plane, the Mitsubishi M5 M1 Mabel, which is a very cool plane for the Japanese air fleet. And I'm starting to get into the building the planes, as you probably seen in one of my videos or the pictures I put on YouTube. This is a Japanese plane made in Czech, and not sure if this company is still around anymore. But we got the Douglas O-46A. This is a American U.S. Army plane right here. So I'm thinking pre-war or post World War II, one of the two. But you guys can let me know in the comments. And another one from Made in Czech. So, but it's American plane, has my name on it, so I figure it has to come home with me. All right, guys, I had to kind of finagle this one to stand up on its own because it didn't want to stay there. But I found this one also at Bad Al's, Lorna plane. It's a Japanese fighter plane, I guess, and with the unusual design, which probably caught my eye right here with the cab forward design in there, and made in Czech, just like the other ones. So this is the another Japanese plane, the what they call it, the Nagahachi B5N1 Kate. Sorry if I butchered that name, but it's made by Haskulan Hobby Kits in this cool, looks like a limited edition style box. It kind of reminds me of some of the American planes that were fighting the Japanese at the time during World War II. But that is my stash. So this is some stash ads from the last, I guess, week or two. I guess from. So just thought I'd show those off and let you guys see what might be on the channel next. So let me know in the comments if you want to see me build a plane on my YouTube channel. I know it's basically more car builds than planes, but let me know if you want to see me build a plane. and I'll pick a cool one out and see how it goes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.